Hi, my name is Roger. In the past decade, smartphone has dramatically changed our life. We have used it as a phone, camera, and a computer, and I believe there are much more that we can do with our smartphone. Someday, in the future, smartphone can possibly be a remote control for our life and seamlessly connect with our world. We have many electronics and appliances at home. We switch them on and off one by one every day. Imagine one day, you can have your smartphone to control, monitor, and manage all of them wirelessly at any time, anywhere. What I've developed is a smart power strip. You can simply connect it with your smartphone by Wi-Fi connection. Then plug in any devices and you're ready to go. All of your devices can be controlled under our smartphone app. You can even set a timer to automatically turn them on and off for you. Real-time monitoring the status and power consumption. Smart Power Strip comes with multiple sockets. Each socket can be controlled individually in the way you want it. Even when you're away from home, you're able to remotely check and control any of your home devices. Smart Power Strip comes with a stylish outlook design, along with two USB power outputs for you to charge your USB devices at the same time. We have also built in a home automation module so other smart devices can interact and automate with each other. Motion detector, dark contact, and temperature sensor are under development to work with Smart Power Strip. In the past month, working prototype has been made along with a series of performance tests. What we are left is your support to help us start the tooling and production run. We can't do it without your help. Please share this video and back it on Kickstarter, and you will be one of the first to own the smartest power strip. Thank you for watching.